Hello and welcome to CtrlTech's educational video to guide on how to properly maintain your dehumidifier. Dehumidifiers are essential appliances for controlling humidity levels in your home. Proper maintenance of your dehumidifier can ensure that it runs efficiently and effectively for years to come. In this guide, we will walk you through the steps of maintaining your dehumidifier, including cleaning, troubleshooting common issues, and ensuring that the power supply, humidistat, and drainage system are in good working order. So, let's go through this procedure step by step. Step 1. Checking the power supply before performing any maintenance on your dehumidifier. It's important to check that the power supply is functioning properly. Make sure that the dehumidifier is plugged in and that the outlet is working. If the dehumidifier is not turning on, check the fuse or circuit breaker to ensure that it has not tripped. Step 2. Verifying the humidistat settings. Please note, the humidistat on your dehumidifier controls the humidity level in your home. It's important to check that the humidistat is set correctly to ensure that your dehumidifier is running efficiently. If the humidity level in your home is too high or too low, adjust the humidistat accordingly. Step 3. Checking the drainage system. Your dehumidifier's drainage system is responsible for removing excess water from the unit. It's important to check the drainage system to ensure that it is functioning properly. Make sure that the drain hose is properly connected and that there are no kinks or blockages. If the water is not draining properly, clean the drain hose and check for any leaks. Step 4. Cleaning the air filter. The air filter in your dehumidifier should be cleaned at least once a month to ensure proper airflow and efficiency. To clean the air filter, unplug the dehumidifier and remove the filter. Use a brush or vacuum cleaner to remove any dust or debris. Rinse the filter with warm water and let it dry completely before reinstalling it. Step 5. Cleaning the coils. The coils of your dehumidifier should be cleaned at least once a year to prevent mold and mildew growth. To clean the coils, unplug the dehumidifier and remove the front panel. Use a brush and a mild detergent to clean the coils. Rinse them with warm water and dry them thoroughly before reinstalling the front panel. Step 6. Emptying and cleaning of the water bucket. Your dehumidifier's water bucket should be emptied regularly, depending on the humidity level in your home. Check the bucket daily and empty it when it's full. To empty the bucket, simply remove it from the dehumidifier and pour the water out. Clean the bucket with a mild detergent and warm water and dry it thoroughly before reinstalling it. Step 7. Checking for leaks. It's important to check for leaks in your dehumidifier to prevent water damage. Check the water bucket, drain hose, and connections for any leaks. If you find a leak, turn off the dehumidifier and contact a repair technician. Step 8. Storing the dehumidifier. When you're not using your dehumidifier, it's important to store it properly to protect it from dust and damage. Clean the dehumidifier thoroughly, including the air filter, water bucket, coils, and drain hose. Make sure that the dehumidifier is dry before storing it in a cool, dry place. So let's summarize it. By following these simple steps, you can ensure that your dehumidifier is running efficiently and effectively. Regular cleaning and maintenance will not only prolong the life of your dehumidifier, but also improve the air quality in your home. Remember to check the power supply, humidistat, and drainage system, and contact a repair technician if you find any issues. Remember to regularly check the humidity level in your home and adjust the humidistat accordingly. Thanks for watching this video. CtrlTech is offering all kinds of dehumidifiers in Dubai, UAE, Oman, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, Bahrain, Kuwait, and Africa. We are one-stop shop for all kinds of dehumidifiers. Please do contact us. For more such educational videos on dehumidification system, please subscribe our channel.